So welcome to the first tutorial on mql5 officially on the Code with Vic channel. Now I'm a programmer and also a trader, programming for like 5 years, trader for like 3 to 4 years. And you can see the beauty on this channel as I start to post videos about it. Now today we're going to be looking at trading automation. My name is Victor, by the way. Trading automation, and what that means is actually writing codes or expert advisors which are going to be responsible for trading accounts, managing trades, and a lot of fun stuff that's going to help traders achieve their biggest potential. Okay, now you can see a bunch of codes here. This is in the mql5 trading or programming language, the mql5 programming language, which will allow you to easily develop your strategy. Okay, now this is going to allow you write codes that are going to follow particular rules for entering trades, exiting trades, or even placing take profit and stop loss of a trade. Okay, so this expert advisor or the robots which you are going to be writing can perform all these functions. Okay, now there are some things I listed out because this is the first video. We're not going to be writing any codes, but at the same time, we're going to be taking an overview of what is possible, what is attainable, and what we can do with this mql5 programming language. Now, I won't advise you to use Python or C++ or C# because it is not the primary language for this mql5. Now, mql5 is like programming language for the MT5 platform. Those of you that don't know, MT5 is just like your trading platform. I'm sorry, my candles are yellow and black. It's just like green and red, a little bit inverted, and I have a few indicators on here. Okay, back to the lecture. Now, why automated trading? Now, automated trading is going to allow you follow the rules of the strategy to the T. Okay, so there is no human intervention, no human error. Everything is just according to the strategy. So if the strategy is actually losing, you know it is from the strategy, and you can't blame it on you not being able to catch the trade or FOMOing or being emotional at the point. These are all things that automated trading is going to help you. And also automated trading reduces stress of trading because it's hard being on your screen for 5 hours a day, 10 hours a day waiting for a setup. Personally, I take like 10 to 15 trades a month, sometimes less, maybe 10 trades a month. And you can imagine out of 20 trading days, being staring at the screen and waiting for that particular opportunity to show up, it's not always the easiest. Okay, so why mql5? Why not Python? Because I also teach Python on this channel. Well, I'm using the mql5 platform because it's a native language for coding the MT5. Okay, it's a native language. Now, what types of strategies can be performed on this particular expert advisors? Okay, now there are different kind of strategies that involve indicators. If you trade indicators, now one thing with algorithmic trading or expert advisors is that you actually need to have a very well-defined plan for entering trades, exiting trades, for you to be able to code it. You can't just use a hypothetical theorem and actually code trades. Okay, so you have to be based on solid data and all those kind of stuff. Okay, there are other types of expert advisors I'll soon be showing you guys. Now, what are the skills required? Okay, I'm not done with the types of strategies. Now, strategies that involve indicators, strategies that involve candlestick patterns. Maybe you like trading. Let me zoom in on this. You like trading the, what do they call it? Is it shooting star? All those candlestick patterns, right? Engulfing patterns or whatever. Candlestick patterns can work. Indicator strategies can work. Range-based strategies can work. There are a lot of things that you can implement to make your strategy unique to yourself and make a lot more sense to you. All right. When we start coding, you start seeing what is capable and what's achievable or attainable, right? Now, skills required, you need to know how to code. You need to know how to program. So even if you had a basic knowledge on other programming languages, you also have to learn the syntax and semantics of this mql5, which is the base language for coding, the MT5. Now, I'm just going to walk you through something very simple. And when we go to this is my MT5. Most of you should see somewhere that is named IDE on the top left corner. And if I click on that IDE, it's going to open a place where we can write code. You can see this is my active code that trades my account for me. A lot of codes here, which for most beginners, it's not really going to make any sense. but we are going to be teaching ourselves how to do this, okay? It's just a fun world to be in, okay? So subscribe if you haven't. I'm going to show you one app here. I'm going to put it the VTA manager, and I'm going to click on it right now. Now, this is a demo account, so you don't think I'm taking live trades. Now, this is actually a trade manager, which is better than stop, what they call it, spending orders. Okay, I can take trades on this using this expert advisors, and it would actually put me in trades, exit me from trades, and all those kind of stuff. Like right now, I've put a trade active. Let me shift it a little bit down so it actually opens a trade for me. This is what an expert advisor can do. Let me take it a little bit this way and click on. If price goes up now, I'm actually going to be tapped into a trade. If price tries to go up, you can see a trade just got opened right now, right? A trade just got opened right now. And from what you are seeing right now, if I click on restore this way, okay, restore, I can move my lines away from this trade this way, move my lines away from this trade. Now, you can see where the stop loss was, exactly on where that line was. And this is like a trade management software. A lot of people sell things like this for like $300, $500, and this was made in like 3 hours. I'm still going to sell it. I'm not like the sense that's not going to make money from programming, right? Pardon me, sorry. So, you can see how beautiful this trade is right now. I can even go down to smaller time frames. And there's really nothing to do on this right now because I used a very big stop loss due to the minute time frame. Or you can see how it executed seamlessly. I wanted it to go a little bit up so we can actually break even this trade. Now, this was created in less than 3 hours, okay? This is just one of the examples. I have full-blown expert advisors that actually take trades on their own once it's time to take trades. Some of them can check if there is news before opening trades, and so on and so forth. As you begin to learn more, you will start to get better. It gets better. Now, if you see as this trade has moved a little bit to profit, can you see that? It moved a little bit in profit. You can see I'm in 0.84 cents in profit. I can click on break even. And then you can see my stop loss is at break even. Let me shift it so you see. That's my stop loss. If I click on break even, it goes to break even. If I go to this close partial, which is for closing partial, and I want to close half of my position, I can go into that box and tap 50%. It's going to close 50% of my position. I have 0.14 lots open right now. And if I click on OK, I'm going to be left with 0.07. You see, half of that was closed. My trade is running in profit and everything is looking perfect. Now, if you wanted to do this manually, you know the hassle you would have gone through. So this programming allows us to get opportunities like this and actually thrive in the Forex market, putting the edge to the trader side, Risk management, very important. All those stuff, very important, which are going to be taught in this channel, okay? So these are things that expert advisors can do. Taking partials, breaking even, opening trades, checking the time, checking if there is volume. You can see I have a volume indicator right here, the Miani volatimeter, and you can see if I even wanted to close 100% of this trade now, say maybe I am satisfied with the profit, I can click on 100, and once I click on OK, it's going to close the whole trade, right? So this is just one of them. And also you can test your strategies, okay? You can test your strategies and so on and so forth. This is just the tip of the iceberg. Things are possible with mql5 programming, okay? Now, what should you expect as a beginner? Should you expect creating the best trading robots in the world? No. As a beginner, you first of all need to learn coding, okay? And then once you've learned coding, you now need to develop a strategy. Or if you had a strategy, it's even going to be better, okay? You have a strategy already, you just have to learn coding, then you code your strategy, test it and see if it works on live environment, and then boom, you're good to go, right? But if you're just a programmer and you want to go into trading, there are a lot of steps to do. You have to learn how to program, you need to learn how to analyze the charts, you need to know when to get in, you need to know what lots are, risk management are, all the basic things that Forex, normally most Forex traders already know. You actually have to learn all these things and get better, okay? So it gets easier as you go forward. Hopefully you learned one or two things from this little is it webinar? Should I call it a webinar or a video, a YouTube video? So if this was like a valuable video for you, click and smash that subscribe button, because the next videos are going to be fire. I'm going to be creating strategies. You can see that trade close right now is going to the top side. I don't care because it's not a live account, right? So these managers actually help you in real life market environments to make money. Okay, make money. No financial advice or whatever. But the more you learn this stuff, the better your understanding of trading and how edge works happens automatically. So subscribe to this channel, babies. And those of you that were following my channel for just programming videos, I'm not a trader, so you might be getting programming videos from now to then, but the overall of my love and interest right now is in trading. I hope I've not been rambling too much. I love you guys. God bless you and stay blessed. Stay blessed.